Governor Gretchen Whitmer has extended the coronavirus state of emergency through July 16th. She says the extension is necessary to allow her to continue using emergency powers. That's happening one day after Michigan was declared one of 3 states on pace to contain COVID-19. Fox 47's Cody Butler tells us what that means.
More than 860,000 people across Michigan have been tested for COVID-19. Of those tests, only about 60,000 have tested positive. That's why COVID Act Now says Michigan's on track to contain the virus.
I think it's awesome, and it really reflects on the efforts that Michigan has put into making sure we did the stay-at-home orders.
Laura Harris is a microbiology professor at Davenport University's Lansing campus. She's been studying the data from the state since the coronavirus pandemic began back in March. Right now, she's worried about the outbreaks in places like Alabama and Missouri.
We do have a group of older people in some of those areas that could have impacted how it spread. The main point here is just trying to keep it out of Michigan.
Harris says waiting to reopen Michigan's economy and having more outdoor activities is helping bring down Michigan's new cases of coronavirus. COVID Act Now says of all the Michiganders getting tested for COVID-19, only about 1% actually have it. Harris is expecting that to change this fall.
When people are coming from outside where they're all nice and spread out, back to being inside where they're all close together.
Because COVID-19 is a pandemic, Harris expects the virus to stick around even with a vaccine. That's because it has already changed several times in just a few months.
It's not like bubonic plague where it's super contagious, but it is something that has to be monitored over time.
Harris says in order to keep a second wave of the virus minimum, we need to keep wearing our masks in public. In Lansing, Cody Butler, Fox 47 News.
All right, Cody, thank you. Harris expects the vaccine to be a yearly shot similar to the flu shot. That's because even though the 2 viruses are different, they appear to mutate in similar ways.